Good evening. Welcome. You're watching CNN News 18, and this is another story of Delhi's civic apathy and gross negligence, which has claimed the life of another child. Another death due to water logging from Delhi. A 7-year-old died in a waterlogged park in Aman Vihar area of the national capital. The police, in fact, received a call yesterday in the evening regarding the drowning of a child that took place in a park. The local police immediately reached the spot, and they came to know that the child, in fact, had been shifted to hospital, where the doctor declared him brought dead. The deceased child has been identified as Tarun, who is 7 years old and was a resident of Aman Vihar in Delhi. Just take a look at that water body and that huge amount of waterlogging that has resulted in the death of a 7-year-old. Preliminary inquiry reveals that the child drowned in this deep water body that was formed due to the rain in the park, which is in Sector 20 Rohini. The body of the deceased has been preserved in the hospital for post-mortem. Necessary legal action will also be taken into the matter. Okay, so civic apathy now leading to the tragic death of this young boy, a 7-year-old boy who drowned in this water body, a deep water body that was formed as a result of severe waterlogging because of the heavy downpour that the national capital has been experiencing in the last few days. You know, we have already been talking about how the civic apathy has led to 3 talented lives being cut short after their bodies were recovered following the flooding of the basement that had taken place in a coaching center in Old Rajendra Nagar. And now comes the story of this child who has tragically lost his life as a result of drowning in this water body. Let me go straight across now to Anshul for the very latest. Anshul, this is so tragic. Tell us a little bit more about what exactly happened and how did this child drown in the park?
Well, yes, due to a spell of rain that happened out here in the national capital, there was waterlogging that had happened in a park in the Aman Vihar area, and these were children who were residing in the nearby places. As the waterlogging happened, they decided to go ahead and play in that water that had logged over there, and it is then that this 7-year-old boy had to lose his life due to drowning. Now, a PCR call was then made to the Delhi police, post which the police team reached the spot and took the victim to the hospital, where he was declared brought dead. So yes, yet another case of drowning coming out from the national capital. Over the last 3 to 4 weeks itself, there have been several cases of civic apathy due to which the people of national capital had to lose their life. So yes, it remains to be seen. Now the case has been registered. If at all any accused can now be pointed out by the Delhi police, and someone could be punished for this laxity that has been shown yet again by the civic authorities, due to which the 7-year-old kid had to lose his life.
Oh, absolutely. Just kindly stay on with me. It's one of the biggest tragedies that has been happening in the national capital. Lives being lost. We also got you news about how a Delhi teenager lost his life. A 13-year-old boy who lost his life after he was electrocuted while he was playing cricket. But about this incident of how this 7-year-old child, let's just get a quick reaction from his distraught family members.
सर, घर से तो वो खेलते खेलते ही निकल गया था। एक्चुअली जो हमें पता लगा वो 8 बजे रात को पता लगा, वो पुलिस द्वारा पता लगा हमारा।
अच्छा, क्या पता चला
कि आपका बच्चा एक्सपायर हो गया और वो पानी में डूब के एक्सपायर हुआ।
बच्चे का नाम क्या था, कौन सी क्लास?
बच्चे का नाम तरुण था, वो 3री क्लास में पढ़ता था वो।
पानी में कैसे गया, कैसे पहुंचा?
जी, वो पारिक है, पारिक के पीछे झील बना रखी है, उस पर कोई ध्यान देता नहीं। वो उसके अंदर जब भी होता है वो भरी रहती है पानी से प्रॉपर, और कम से कम 5-5.5 फुट पानी गहरा उसके अंदर रहता ही रहता है। कोई ध्यान ही नहीं देता, ना तो गार्ड ने, उसने पार्क के अंदर जो गार्ड है ना उसने ध्यान दिया गार्ड ने। अगर वो गार्ड भी अपनी ड्यूटी ढंग से करता, बच्चों को वहां से भगाता, तो ये शायद नहीं होती। पर डे वहां पर डेली, अभी भी आप जाओगे तो अभी भी आपको वहां पर 30-40 बच्चे वहां पर नहाते हुए मिल जाएंगे। वहां पर कोई सुनवाई नहीं है, ना पार्क वाला ध्यान धरते हैं, ना कोई प्रशासन ध्यान धरता है।